Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the top roll in arm wrestling, an effective technique for gaining a strategic advantage. To begin, establish a high grip, wrapping your fingers around the top of your opponent's hand. Aim to get your hand as high as possible on theirs, creating a powerful lever. Keep your elbow firmly planted on the pad and your arm at a tight angle for optimal control and power. Next, focus on controlling your opponent's wrist. As the match begins, pronate your hand and forearm, applying downward pressure. Flex your wrist inward and start rotating your hand over theirs. The goal is to force their wrist to bend backward, effectively weakening their grip and neutralizing their hand strength. This move shifts the power dynamics in your favor, allowing you to use leverage. Now, let's talk about body mechanics. Simultaneously pull your opponent's hand towards your body while applying upward pressure with your fingers. This dual motion maximizes your leverage. Lean your body slightly, with your dominant foot a bit forward, allowing you to use your entire body for power. Engage your lats, pectorals, and core muscles to generate maximum pulling force, not just arm strength. To finish the top roll, maintain continuous pressure on their fingers and wrist as you roll your hand over theirs. Use your body weight and shoulder to amplify the force, driving their hand downward towards the pad. Keep your wrist strongly flexed and your grip absolutely secure throughout the entire movement to maintain control. This combination of pull, pronation, and body drive will secure your pin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.